Hi viewers, welcome to the channel Winners Research Academic. This is Dr. V. Vetrivel. In this online class series, we are going to learn advertising management and sales promotion. Before going to this video, subscribe to the channel for continuous classes and click the bell button for get the immediate notification of our classes. In this advertising management and sales promotion paper, today we are going to discuss the introduction and overview of advertising. The objective of the class is given here in that first to know the meaning and definition of advertisement, to understand the need and the importance of advertisement, to analyze the objectives of the advertisement, and finally to learn the role of advertisement in marketing. These are all the objectives we are all going to discuss in this video. First, we know the meaning of advertisement. Every day we come across hundreds of advertising messages which tells us about various products such as soaps, detergent, powders, soft drinks, and services such as hotels, insurance, policies, etc. Advertising is perhaps the most commonly used tools of promotion by an organization. It is commonly understood as communicating about a product or services, but it is not correct and completely to understand it as so. Actually, advertising includes all the activities performed by the enterprises to present the goods and services to the consumer and to motivate them to buy these goods and services. It is a non-personal form of communication which is paid for by the marketer to promote his goods and services. The term advertising has been defined as many eminent authors such as, according to William J. Staunton, advertising consists of all the activities involved in presenting to a group a non-personal, oral or visual, openly sponsored message regarding a product or services or idea. This message is called advertisement. It is disseminated through one or more media and is paid for by an identified sponsor. The another definition according to American Marketing Association: any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods and services by an identified sponsors. The medium used are print, broadcast and direct. In the another definition, advertising is a means of communication with the users of a product or services. Advertisements are messages paid for by those who send them and are intended to inform or influence people who receive them as defined by the Advertising Association of the UK. Thus, advertising can be defined as a paid form of non-personal presentation of product and services or ideas. The goal of advertisement is to reach people most likely to be willing to pay for companies' product and services and entice them to buy. This slide explains the need and the importance of advertising. It has categorized in two groups. First one is to the customers, convenience, awareness and the quality. Another to the business, awareness, brand image, product differentiation, increase goodwill, value for money. So these are all the points of need and the importance. First, one by one we are going to discuss now. Importance of advertising to the customers. First, convenience. Targeted informative advertisement make the customers' decision-making process easier as they get to know what suit for their requirement and budget. Then awareness. Awareness. Advertising educates the customers about different product available in the market and their features. This knowledge help customers compare different product and they choose the best product of them. Next, the better quality. Only brand advertise themselves in the better quality. Only brands advertise themselves and their product. There are no advertisement for unbranded product. This ensures better quality to the customers as no brands wants to waste money on false advertising. The another term, the importance to the business. First, awareness. Awareness. Advertising increase the brand and product awareness among the people belong to the target market. Then, brand image. Clever advertising help the business to form the desired brand image and brand personality in the minds of their customers. Then, the product differentiation. Advertising help the business to differentiate its product from those competitors and communicate its features and advantages to the target audience. In terms of increasing goodwill, advertising registered brand vision and increase the goodwill of the brand among its customers. Next, value for money. Advertising deliver the message to the wild audience and tend to be a value for money when compared to other elements of the promotion mix. So these are the points of the need and the importance of advertising. The objective of advertising is nothing but to sell the product or idea or service. The real objective of advertising is to increase awareness among the consumers about the seller's product. Here we have listed out some of the objective of advertising, such as preparing ground for sale of new product, increasing demand for the product, educating the consumers, building up brand image, facing the completion, and supplementing the salesman. These are the important points of advertising objectives. First, preparing ground for sale of new product. Whenever a new product is introduced in the market, advertising becomes necessary for informing potential consumers about the product. In this way, advertising can be used for preparing ground for sale of new product. Another objective of the advertising is to increase the demand for product. Advertising help in increasing a favorable atmosphere for maintaining or improving sales of the product. By means of the advertising prospect, consumers may be induced to buy a particular product by informing them about the comparative quality, price, and the other attribute of the product, thus changing the habit of the consumers so as to shift from the another product. Next, educating consumers is one of the basic objective of every advertisement, is to be educated the consumers and the users about the use of utilities of the product. This help the consumers and users in making good choice. The another objective of advertising is to build up brand image and the brand loyalty towards the product. These objectives are achieved through constant and repeat advertising about the brand. The next objective is facing the competition. One of the basic objective of advertising is to help the marketers to face the existing competition effectively and efficiently. The marketers inform the consumers about the price, quality, and availability of the product through advertising. And the final objective, supplementing the salesman. The objective of advertising is also assist the salesman's effort in increasing the sales of the product. By means of educating customers through the product advertising, it reduces the workload of the salesman for selling the product. From these objectives, we understand that the purpose of advertising is to sell goods, services, or ideas to a large group of prospective purchasers. This slide explains the various roles of advertising in marketing. Such roles are listed here, such as to make on immediate sales, to build primary market, to introduce a price deal, to inform about a product, to build brand recognition or brand insistence, to help salesmen by building on awareness of product among retailers, to create a reputation for services, reliability, or research strength, to increase market share, to modify existing product appeals and buying motive, to inform about the availability of new product or feature or price, to increase the frequency of use of a product, to increase the number of quality of retail outlets, to build overall company image, to effect immediate buying action, to reach new area of new segment of population within existing area, and to develop overseas. So these are the points we have in the role of advertising in market. From this class we conclude that Advertising is one of the most creative field and is a part of marketing. In fact, advertising has become so big that many people get confused about the differences between marketing and advertising. But the objectives of advertising are completely different from the market. After watching this video, you can able to answer the following questions. What is advertising? Explain the need and the importance of advertising. What are the objective of advertising? And you can able to explain the various role of advertising in marketing. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel for continuous class. If you like this video, like, comment and share it with your friends.